In the heart of the savannah, where the grass waved like waves under the burning sun, there lived a fox. This fox was not like others. He was clever, cunning, and fast, but he was also alone. Every day, he watched a gang of hyenas. They were loud, ruthless, and always together. Whenever prey fell, the hyenas feasted in abundance, while the fox scurried around the edges, hoping to grab scraps. One evening, his hunger grew unbearable. The fox thought to himself, "If I am fast enough, I can snatch a piece of meat from the hyenas before they notice." So he crept closer. His heart pounded. The smell of roasted flesh filled his nostrils. He darted forward, grabbed a bone, and ran. But hyenas do not forgive. Their laughter echoed in the plains as they chased him. Within seconds, they surrounded the trembling fox. "You dare steal from us?" one growled. The fox barely escaped with his life, but hunger is a stubborn enemy. Days later, he tried again. Once more, he was caught, beaten, and left to crawl away. The fox sat under a tree, his body weak but his mind racing. He realized something profound. No matter how clever I am, I cannot defeat them. But perhaps I do not need to. The next day, instead of stealing, the fox approached the hyenas boldly. They sneered, expecting another foolish attempt. But the fox bowed and said, "Why fight me when I can help you? You have strength, but I have brains. Together, we can be unstoppable." At first, the hyenas laughed. A single fox? What could he possibly offer? But then he proved himself. He showed them hidden water holes during a drought. He led them to herds by tracking scents they could not detect. He devised ambushes that doubled their catch. The fox no longer ran from them, he ran with them. And soon, word spread across the savannah. The alliance of fox and hyenas was to be feared. Even lions thought twice before crossing their path. Moral of the story, the fox never stopped being clever. The hyenas never stopped being fierce. But when they combined their gift, they became greater than either could have been alone. And so, the lesson is clear. Sometimes, life puts us against forces we cannot conquer alone. You can waste your energy fighting battles you will never win. Or you can change your perspective. You can join forces, collaborate, and find strength in unity. If you can't beat them, join them. Not in weakness, but in wisdom.